So now let's talk about the PLC Logic Viewer app, it's not a new app in OMI. It's been around for a while, but I just wanted to highlight it because it's very powerful. And what this tool empowers you to do is reduce downtime events by, troubleshooting your PLC logic directly inside of OMI. So the app provides an interface for viewing the real-time logic in read-only, right? It's not writing, there's no control, and that's by design. And the PLC logic is searchable in the interface through the asset and tag mapping of system platform. Initially, this was only available with RS Logic's PLCs, but I think since version 2020 R2 and definitely with 2023, this has been expanded to include Unity Pro and EcoStruxure controllers as well. In OMI development, you can just drag and drop your configuration with parameter selection to configure your PLC Logic Viewer app in a pane on your layout. And in runtime, you can pull up an instance of the PLC logic in real time so you can troubleshoot the downtime events. In the example that you see here, that I went forward a little bit too quickly, but let's go back to it. Here is the runtime of the PLC Logic Viewer app, and you can see that the user created a faceplate for one of their pump assets with a diagnostic tab. And in this tab, they create a button that launches the PLC Viewer app, so they can troubleshoot their PLC code directly from OMI.